Storybox Lady here. Let me ask you a question, dear reader. Do you remember what you have read? Can you honestly answer? What did I just read? If you said yes, that's wonderful. Remembering what you have read takes skill and practice, and I applaud you for that. Now, if you remember what you've read, are you able to understand what you just read? The question of, why did I just read that book? If you don't struggle with understanding, then sorry, this video isn't for you. I'm talking to the young strugglers out there, the ones who struggle with remembering what they've read or understanding what they've read. And dear reader, I've got one more question for you. After you have remembered what you've read, and after you've understood what you've read, can you tell me how you connected to the story? The question that answers, why should I care what I just read? Watch for 2 new series on my channel. The first one is 10 tips for better reading comprehension and understanding. I'll take you step by step through the process. The second series is one I'm excited about. I want to help you to learn how to connect to what you've read and why it's important to know. Please click down below. You don't want to miss this. Bye. Happy reading. Once upon a time, there was a girl.